I can tell you one thing. This sneaker here gives me Pine Green 1 vibes. Tremendous. I was trying to wait to do this review because I got a Shoe Palace DMX shirt coming that I think blends with this perfect, but the show don't wait up for nobody, man. Let's get into it. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Yes, sir. Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. If you haven't, hit subscribe. Trying to run the numbers up, man. Today we talking about the Jordan 3 Pine Greens. And actually in hand, I like the sneaker way more than I liked in pictures. I can tell you that off the bat. Some things were substituted that I don't like. But just look at the tongue. That gives you Oregon vibes. Off the gate, that gives you Oregon vibes. When I heard Pine Green Jordan 3s were coming out, I thought they would come out more towards Christmas. You know, hint pine green, like a Christmas tree. Yeah, I get my drift. Got it. But they came early for whatever reason, and we got them in hand, so we gotta check them out. Like I told y'all, Shoe Palace dropped the DMX collab joint. Very dope. I hope the money goes to his kids. DMX had a lot of freaking kids, man. So if you haven't checked that out, they didn't pay for anything here. I'm just trying to help DMX kids if they're not already helped out. But the collab is dope. I got the Pine Green DMX shirt with him throwing up the X. I wanted to get a hoodie, but the hoodies look too busy. Y'all know I love my hoodies over here at Sneaker Notes. So there I got on the Hellman hoodie. If you watch Different World or the Cosbys, you already know, man. Shout out to DMX and Shoe Palace for doing that. I thought Supreme would be the first to do that, but it got done. Pine Green 3s here. I'm going to tell y'all what I like, what I don't like. And, yeah, enough talking. Let's get into the review. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. And I like what Jordan Brand is doing. I'm not going to say he's doing it because of me. But I was one of the first to say Jordan Brand need to change up the box every collab. Every Jordan sneaker that's different than the OG should have the colorway on the box. Like that's just dope, man. And Jordan Brand's finally getting with the program. So on one side of the shoe box we have elephant print. You know elephant print is known for the Jordan 3. And then on the left side we got all Pine Green, which is the name of the sneaker, Pine Green. Now something I did notice, and this is my first time actually examining the box like this. We had a couple like this. I think the yellow joints, what they call lightning or thunder, they came like this. And I had another pair. I just can't remember right now. Maybe called purples, but I can't remember. But I just noticed, if you see this Jordan Jumpman here, it is kind of 3D, but it's not that 3D. But when you lift open the box, you can actually see the print in the box. Now, I don't know if they did that to spot fakes or quality control or if it just happened. But this is my first time actually seeing that with my own eyes. So after you flip open the lid fully, you got more of your elephant print on the tissue paper. I don't see any stamps or quality control, nothing else to show y'all. So let's get into the sneaker. Let's get a full 360. Man, these sneakers scream at you Christmas, man. Scream at you Christmas. That nice pine green is nice, man. Very, very glossy. I like it. So let's start with the toe box. Now, one of the substitutes I was telling y'all about, they substitute leather, which we always see on the Jordan 3, for suede, which we really see on the Jordan 4. The suede is soft. I got this pair straight from Sneakers, believe it or not. And the pair does to be a little dusty out of the box. But I mean, at the end of the day, it's nubuck suede. I mean, what can you expect? The black nubuck is nice. The upper and the mid is like perfection. My toe box is a little dusty. Let me know if y'all got y'all some sneakers and it got a couple of fingerprints on it, man. Maybe FedEx tried to steal them, but they let me live today. So yeah, that's on the inside and the outside. Nice suede, man. This suede is good. I'm surprised this sneaker wasn't $225 like them Lightning 4s, because this suede is nice. Around your toe box has the famous OG elephant print. And that's not too shabby. That looks to be right. Now, y'all know my problem. And my problem is bam. The back doesn't have that Nike Air on the booty. Granted, I like this Jumpman here. It's 3D. Even the Air is 3D. It's not printed in. So maybe I could come to love this Air Jordan on the back opposed to the Nike Air only because it's highlighted and it's abrased. Let me see if I can turn it sideways. Y'all see that? See the thickness on that? It looks like a keychain almost. The thickness is nice on that. So you got Nike on the back. I'm not too thrilled with that, but I do like how it's abrased and it's the logo is more off. Your tongue has green and yellow, like a supersonic, Seattle Supersonic. Y'all probably too young to know about the Seattle Supersonics. But that's what Kevin Durant started his career. They are now the OKC Thunder, but Jordan is highlighted in that green and yellow. Gives me Oregon vibes tremendously. The tongue is in a nice light gray, sort of like them patterns I just showed y'all, the aqua noise joints. And that's all the way down. You come with black shoestrings. I think they should have gave us some green pairs, but let me check out the left shoe before I decide to beat Jordan up about that. Your shoestring lids is green. Very dope touch. I think they could have opted for yellow, but I love the green there. Your bottom, of course, has the Jordan logo because we have Jordan on the back and not Nike Air on the back. So this comes hands in hand, the Jordan on the bottom with the Jordan Air on the back. Okay, this is the left shoe on my hand, and I searched through the box. There is no other shoestrings in here, and that's probably why this sneaker was the standard $190 with tax in New York, $206. They didn't give us no shoestrings, and I think that ended my streak of reviews. As I was telling y'all in a couple of videos ago, every sneaker this year came with an extra pair of shoelaces. Not this pair. I'm not too mad about it. It's a Jordan 3. I mean, how many different colorways you gonna do with this? But I could see someone throwing a yellow in there or green in there to match it up. Now, my initial, what can I say? My initial figure of this sneaker was like, we don't need another Jordan 3 in a different colorway. But the pine green is definitely attractive, man. It's attractive to eyes if you see it in person. I just feel like we wanted a Ray Allen PE 15 years ago, and Jordan Brand is about 15 years too late. Ray Allen is retired and forgot of, but he always played for a green team, Milwaukee Bucks, Boston Celtics. So we always wanted that green Jordan PE look, and I just think Jordan Brand's a little too late to the party with this. Now, if you listen in Jordan Brand, please don't be late to the party with the Kobe colorways. Give us those yellow and purple Kobe Jordan 3s and them 8s. Do it ASAP, man. Don't give us that 15 years later. Even though if you do it 15 years later, y'all know I'm Kobe for life. I'm copping. But don't let us wait like we waited on them Ray Allens, man. Yeah, so I examined the whole sneaker, guys. There's nothing special on here. No bells and whistles. The tongue doesn't have nothing in the inside. Just your regular tag with the sizing. The insoles are green, pine green, Boston Celtic green, whatever you want to call it. But I can tell you one thing. This sneaker here gives me pine green 1 vibes. Tremendously. Granted, in my opinion, the 1 is the interior. No, not the 1 is the superior silhouette to the 3. When it comes to the 3s, I just like my bread cements and I go. But you know the 1s have so many different colorways. But the color blocking and texture is the same exact green. And real quick before I go, streetwear police, my streetwear people, I got you. And this week, I got something from Kif. Yo, Kif, I love this packaging. I love it, man. I love this packaging. I can't say much about it. And the Monday program was a popular show. Curb Your Enthusiasm. And I love the stonewashed black. I had the HBO shirt like this. I love it. So it has your Curb Your Enthusiasm portrait up there. Nice, you know, Kif material. I ain't got to tell y'all. And that's what I caught from the Monday program. I'm looking to get Supreme this Thursday. That with the Asian designer. Yeah, I'm looking to get everything from there. But streetwear people, Curb Your Enthusiasm. So yeah, this is the review of the Jordan 3 Pine Greens. In my opinion, not a must cop. But if they hit outlets or if you can get them for retail, I would definitely say get your hands on them and see how you feel about them. Actually, they're actually sold out online. I didn't hit the malls yet, but online, no restocks as of yet. A few GS sizes, but no men's sizes yet. I don't know if these can be sort of like the UNC joints that drop. I got rid of them UNC joints too quick. And that's because I got the Jordan 1 off-white UNC joints that I barely wear. So I got rid of those, but I think I got rid of them too quick. I should have gave them a chance. So I may give a chance to these. It's just that Nike Air on the back. I mean, that Jordan Air on the back. I can't get with, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. Thanks for checking me out. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody get rich. Jones on the soundtrack.